Right, today I have the Mavic Air 2, and this time I'm going to revisit precision landing based off of David Reynolds, his comments in my previous video, and he has suggested for me to make sure the home point is recorded and make sure I go up 7 meters. So let's go ahead and try that.
The home point has been updated. Please check it out.
Home point's updated. Now I'm going to go ahead and go up. At least 22 feet, and then just hold it there. Okay, so this is test number 1. I'm going to take it out. Should be good enough, like I did before, and hit return to home. It's ascending, it went to 140 feet, which I had it set to. The sun's right above, sorry about that.
Landing.
Turn the gimbal down. Whoa, it's way off. Oh, it did go over. Look at that. It found it. And it was off by a good 10 feet. Okay, first one, success. Let's go ahead and go for number 2.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated.
Home point's
Please check it
updated.
on the map.
Let's go ahead and go straight up. And I'll go up to the 21 feet this time. Well, that time I'm about 23. Leave it there for a few seconds. And then do the same thing. Okay, I'll go ahead and hit return home.
Go home. Landing.
So let's see when it auto corrects. So that'll give an idea of when it's looking for the pad. I'm at 80, 70, 60, 50, 40. There it goes. It went and moved at about 26. So as the comment suggested, you have to take it up over 7 meters. It gets a good sight picture of what's on the ground. Okay, so it worked. Let's go ahead and take it out a little bit.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated.
Oh, wait,
Please check
see,
it
I
on
messed
the
up. Let's go back. So that's what I was doing before, was just going ahead and taking off. So let's do that again. Let it
The home
update,
point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
take it up. I'll go to 21 this time. Right around there. Leave it there for a few seconds. And now I'll go straight out. Now go out a little bit farther, a little further up. It's good enough. And hit return home.
Go home. Landing.
See when it looks for it this time. 50, 40, 30, and then it adjusted. So around the same time, around 25 feet, it makes its adjustments. So that's why you do need to take it up over the 7 meters. So there's 3 on the pad. I'm gonna go one more and call it a day.
Takeoff.
Actually, I'm gonna take off, let it update,
The home point has been updated.
and I'm not gonna go up
Please check
7.
it on the map.
It's gonna go straight out. And now I'm gonna hit return home.
Go home.
Turn the gimbal down. Landing. 60, 50, 40, 30, 25. So yeah, since I didn't go up the 7 meters, oh, it did find it at the last second. But it waited till the last second to try to look for it. So I'm gonna go up and land it right in the middle of the pad. There we go. So since I didn't go up the 7 meters, whenever I took off straight from about, I don't know, maybe 2 meters up. And it looked like that's when it wanted to look for it, whenever it got down to 2 meters. So it seems to be a correlation to when you take off, when it starts to look for the quad. So this time I'm gonna go up to 10 meters, or about 11 feet, and then try to go.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated.
It's updated.
Please check it on the map.
So I'm only up about 10 feet this time. Now I'm gonna go straight out. And then hit return home.
Go home.
70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 right there, and 15. Nope, looks like I missed it. So it might have just been dumb luck that I found it last time. It didn't get enough of the picture before it took off. So let's go ahead and bring it down. Alright, so I'm going to do it right this time to end it.
Takeoff. The home point has
Close
been
enough to the
updated.
pad.
Please check it on the map.
And I'll go up. 21 again. I'm up 22. Then go out. And then bring it home.
Go home.
Okay, 40, 30, and it moved over. Okay, that's good to know. So the only time that it didn't work is one of the times that I didn't take it up over the 21 feet. That's where I took off. I was a little off when I took off. So that's actually right where it landed. We'll go ahead and put it down. So again, I want to thank David Reynolds for pointing that out to me. Again, I'm no expert at this. I have had many drones. Every drone's different. This one was giving me problems with precision landing. Of course, like most of us, I didn't read the manual because I've had other DJI drones before and just took off flying and was unaware that you had to have it up 7 meters for it to get a good sight picture to find the parking pad. In my mind, it just looks for the pattern and didn't need, you know, the surrounding area, but it looks like it does. Anyway, it's good that this happened. It shows that the drone community out there is willing to help each other out. And I appreciate your feedback and other people that have commented. Go ahead and stay tuned to my channel. I'll be doing some more reviews on this, the Fimi X8 2020, whenever it gets here. Who knows when that'll be. And other drones that I get in the future. All right, until then, see you next time. Thanks for watching.